Hi, in front of me I have LENOVO Blaze and I'm gonna show you how to soft reset this device. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch. To do it, press on the touch sensitive button right here at the bottom of the screen. Then swipe right on the screen and tap on others. Here swipe right on the screen again, find option called power off and tap on it. Then tap the check mark to confirm and turn off your watch. Wait a couple of seconds and then turn on your watch by pressing and holding on the touch sensitive button. And that's how you soft reset this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.